Hi Year 2, this is our maths lesson 6 and it is following on from our number line work. So you might need your number line today to help you up with your number line up to 50, 100. The number lines that I've got you today, they also go up to 100. So some of the, we'll go through it in a minute. Let's just have a look. So you need to be on maths lesson 6. So your lesson should look like here. It's on page 26 as well, okay? So we've got estimating numbers on a number line. So what I'd like you to do first is a warm up and fill in the missing numbers that you've got here. There are also some base 10 below these to help us. So we can see here there is 10, 20, 30, 40, and there's just one. So we've got 41 there. Let's have a look at this one. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we need to put a 40 in there. You fill in these ones and then we'll get on with our next question. Pause this video if you need to. Okay, so we've got here place 10 on the number line. What's really important to us to do is it's important for us to decide where the number line starts and where the number line ends. That helps us because that will help us then with these parts here of the number line. Okay, so I know that my number line starts at 0 and it ends with 50. That's right. Okay, so I need to estimate where 50 is going to go, not where 50 is going to go. That's it. I've just looked at that number there. That's the end of the number line. We're going to put 10 on the number line. Now, do we think that this number line is counting in ones? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That can't be right, can it? Because that's not 5 there, it's 50. There is a 5 in 50, but that number is 50, not 5, because there are 5 tens in 50. Okay, is it counted in twos? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Nope, it's not counted in twos. Okay, let's see if it's counted in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This number line is counting in tens, isn't it? So I know that each one of these lines represents 10. So if I'm counting in tens, I would go 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I want you to place number 10 on this number line. Okay, where do you think it should go? Only number 10. I don't need to put all the other numbers on, just place number 10 on the number line. Or if you wanted to put all the other numbers on to help you, could you put number 10 on and put a circle around it and then do your other ones blank? Okay. Let's have a look at this next one, and you're going to do these ones by yourself. Place 30 on the number line and place 20 on the number line. So when they start at 0, they start at end in 50. We need to decide what they're counting on for these ones as well. A bit of a clue, they start and end and have the same marks as the one at the top. And what was this one counting in? That's right, they were counting in tens too, weren't they? Okay. Oh, now this number line changes a little bit, doesn't it? So it's saying to us here, place 50 on the number line. Now our number line starts at 0, but look, it doesn't end at 50, does it this time? It ends at 100. So we need to decide what this number line is counting in. Is it counting in ones? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope, it's not counting in ones, is it? Because it ends with 100, not 10. Your number line at home that you've got, that we did yesterday, that is counting in ones because that's got every single number up to 100 shown on it, hasn't it? But this number line here is much smaller than that, isn't it? Is it counting in twos? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. No, because that's numbers 100, isn't it? Do we think it might be counting in tens then? Let's have a go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It's counting in tens, isn't it? So now you need to place 50 on the number line. Remember, we start at 0 and we go 10, 20. Okay, we don't go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, because that means 100 would be there. And it's not, it's all the way over here, isn't it? We've got to jump from here to here, here to here, okay? So these questions here, place 50 on the number line, 20 on the number line, and 80 on the number line, okay? A little extension task, which is a little bit harder. It says here, place 14 on all of the number lines. You've got to put 14 on these number lines. You've got to estimate where you think 14 would go. I'm not going to help you with this one, but I'm going to say that these number lines are all different. They all start at 0 though, we can see that, but they don't all end in 100. One ends in 100, one ends in 40, and one ends in 20. I'd like you to put 14 on these number lines. You won't be putting them where these lines are here though, maybe. You might need to put your own line in these number lines, okay? Have a go at that today. I'm not going to help you with this part because this is an extension part. This is for you to challenge yourself, okay? If you would like to post a picture of it, of your challenge where you've challenged yourself onto WeDuck, or send me it as a message. Take a picture, get your grown-ups to send me it as a message, and I can tell you if you're right with that, okay? I like marking your work. Okay, so have a go at doing that today. See you later, year 2. Bye.